Hi folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to get Gann Square of 9 values in Google Sheets. This Gann Square of 9 calculator is already available in various websites and in various apps in Play Store, either for free or on subscription basis. But if it is a free version, it contains a lot of ads which might bother during trading hours. And if it is on a subscription basis, then we have to pay the yearly subscription charges. But doing it in Google Sheets will help us avoid both. One is a free version which contains a lot of ads, and other one is subscription based where we can save money. Okay, with one time effort in Google Sheets, we can get the Gann Square of 9 calculator, which will be helpful for the traders and investors. Okay, so I'm not going to explain the theoretical part of what is Gann Square of 9 and all that. Okay, so I'm focusing only on how to get the values, how to create a calculator in Google Sheets. For theory part and all, viewers can look into the internet, search in the internet to understand what is Gann Square of 9 and all that. Okay, so in this video, the scope revolves around creating a calculator in Google Sheets. Okay, so I hope I am able to explain. Yeah. So if you look into this I have already pre-filled to save time because long and lengthy videos people usually don't like it. Okay, so here 0 degrees you have up to 1080 degrees. I'll get the values here, and this is the gun spiral. Okay, it starts here, goes like this, here, like this. Okay, this is spiral. So basically this is cardinal cross, this one and this one. Okay, this is ordinal cross, sorry, this one and this one, this and this. Similarly this one also, this is ordinal cross. Okay, and what is cardinal cross, what is ordinal cross, the theoretical part, kindly search in the internet because scope of video is how to get the calculator. Okay, so here I have put the price. Okay, these are the values. Okay, first we'll get the values here and then we'll capture it here. Okay, so while looking at the video, just see that A, B, C, D, these are all columns, these are all rows. Okay, so since it is formula driven, kindly when you are creating a calculator in Google Sheets, kindly look into the cell references. Okay, because everything is formula driven. Now, first is 0 degree. I will give you this is this is the formula. Take the screenshot. It is only a small formulas. In all my previous videos, wherever the formulas are big, long and lengthy, I gave a link in the description. But here the formulas are very small, so you can take the screenshot and do it yourself in Google Sheets. Okay. So don't type 0 degree is equal to power and all this. Okay. This is the formula up to starting here is equal to, not this one. This is 0 degree. This is what I'm telling you. This is 0 degree. So don't put 0 degree is equal to power bracket integer and all. Okay. Here you copy. Sorry. I don't copy equal to. I'll copy from here. Is equal to. Okay, here it is showing 1 because I have not entered any price here. So for time being I will write 123. Okay. and here it is 100. This is a 0 degree. Here, this is a midpoint. Okay. So I'll try to fill up the first. I'll get the values here, and then I'll fill up the spiral. This is the interface. Here, what you need to watch is, as I told you, these are all formulas with cell references. Here I have mentioned D2. This is the D. This is column D, row number 2. Okay. So while you are preparing, calculate yourself, just in case instead of D2, if you have written somewhere here as enterprise, then you need to change it here from D2 to E2. I believe people are able to understand. Okay, maybe you can watch the video a couple of times to understand. Here, if in the formula, there are cell references. I have given D2 as a cell reference here because the price I entered is in the cell number D2. But when you are practicing it, when you are doing it in Google Sheets, the price you are entering somewhere E2, then you need to change the formula from D2 to E2 here. Okay. Okay. And secondly, and next 45 degree, 190 degree, 135, 180, 225, 270, all this. It also applies here. Okay. So here, that is equal to, is a mixed value. So like I said here, it is formula driven with cell references D2. This is the price I entered here in the D2. Okay. So when you are doing it, if you put it here, then you have to change it to E2 here. E2. If I are putting the price somewhere here, then you have to change to cell reference as A2. Same goes for below as well. So here this is a K column. This is 3. Okay, in the below for 45 degrees, I have given a cell reference as K3. This is K3. But while you are doing, if you are putting the values here, then you have to give the L3, not K3. That's cell reference because it is formula driven. It will take the cell references. Okay, so this 0 degree is in K3 and 45 degree value will come here at K4. So for this, I put K3 in between. Okay. So next, if you are doing it somewhere here, then you have to put that cell reference number. I hope people are able to understand. And next is just simple small formulas. Can type it. Is for 90 degrees down. Now 135. So here I have up to here. So what I do is I will copy. Let me see where it is. Yeah. Rather than typing in each cell, I have copied everything. Okay. So take screenshots. This is one screenshot. This is second screenshot. Third screenshot. Okay. Instead of typing these formulas in each cell, which is time consuming, I have copy pasted it. Okay. But when you are doing it, just keeping in mind the cell references. Cell differences. 0 degree have put D2. D2 is the price which I entered. So here K2. Okay. If you while doing, if you have put the price at E2, then you need to change it to E2 or F2, A2, B2, C2, whatever it is. Second, all these values I have calculated in the column K. So 0 degree, 45 degree, 90, 135, 118. So you need to give cell differences this one. Okay. If you are calculating these values in L, then accordingly you need to change this K3, K4, K5 to L3, L4, L5, L6, L7 like this. Okay. Not very big formulas. Take screenshots again. Yeah. First screenshot take 0 to 360 degree. Second 405 to 720 degrees. You can take screenshot. And last 765 to 1080 degrees screenshot. We can expand it, but we can expand the spiral, but for the sake of this video, I have chosen the smaller one. Okay. So 0 degree is a middle. So here what do we do is equal to K3. K3. You got 100. Next to 45 degree, 102. Here you write K4. Next to 105, 90 degree is equal to K5. Next 135 degree, 107 is equal to K6. Here you need to write 110 K7. A7, and here K8 is equal to K9 is equal to K10. K10 is equal to K11. Here K12, K13, K14, K15, K16 is equal to K17 is equal to K18, K19, K20, K21 is equal to K22 is equal to K23 is equal to K24 is equal to K25 is equal to K26 is equal to K27. 169, 169, 165, 162, 169, 165, 162, like this. This is the spiral. You can change the price. Enter price. It could be open price, high price, low price, current, last traded price, anything of your choice. Okay. I have mentioned 123. So now this is a small spiral. You can expand it from 169. It can go as well, but for the sake of video, I have taken a small spiral. So but you can always expand it as per viewers liking. Now it is 123. This is the current price. Let's say this is, I'm not giving any buy sell advice. Follow your own strategy, because scope of video is how to create a calculator, not to give buy sell advice. Okay. So this is 123 here right now. So where is 123? It is between 121 and 123. So values above 123 are resistance. 126, 129, 132, 135, like this. Values below the price act as support. 121, 118, 115. Okay. So it is 123 somewhere here, closer to here. So if anybody wants to place a buy order, maybe they can place a buy order somewhere here, and this could be the target, and this could be the stop loss. A value above here, if anybody places a buy order, value above this could be the target. A value below this could be the stop loss. That is how people can, plan their trades. But this is not a buy sell advice. Okay. Now I'll change it to some other number. 117, some random number, some XYZ stock. 117, trading at 117 right now. Where is 117? It is between 112.89 and, no, sorry, 115. This is 117, right? It is between 115.56 and 118.27. So value above 117, 118, 121, 123. These will act as resistance lines. Value below this 115, 112, 110. These act as support. Okay. So again, I'll take one more. Let's say 150. Where is 150? Here. Value above 150. 153, 156, 159 are resistance numbers. Below this 147, 144, they are support, act as support. Now 444, where we need to understand where is 444 in between. It is between 441 and 446. Okay. So the 446 is a resistance, 51 is a resistance, 456 is a resistance, 462 act as a resistance. So below this 441, 430, all these act as support. Okay. Now 525, some random number. Where is 525? It is between 523 and 529. Okay. So 529 and 523, it is between. So these are resistance. So if anybody wants to place a buy order, maybe they can place a buy order at 529. Can keep a stop loss somewhere here. Or if you want to take some additional risk, can place a stop loss somewhere here. And targets could be 534, 540. Okay. So similarly, if anybody wants to short sell, maybe they can short sell somewhere here, or they can wait till it comes here. Here they can plan a short sell trade. This could be stop loss as per risk appetite, and these could be the targets. Okay, this is not a buy or sell advice, but I'm just giving an idea. Follow your own strategy. So this is how we can prepare a Gann Square and calculator in Google Sheets. Okay, so I believe it is pretty simple, formulas and all. have to take the screenshot. That's it. Okay. But while preparing the calculator here, just look at the cell reference values. Okay. So here I have given D2 for price. If you are preparing, let's say you have created somewhere here, then you have to give value C41, C241 here instead of D2. Okay, if you are entering the price here in C241, then here you have to give C241, not D2. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Okay. So, because this is all formula driven with cell references, so you need to be careful about cell references. It's not very difficult, and these colors you can get it. See here, these are the colors you can apply. Okay, for ordinal cross and cross. This is cardinal cross, and this is cross. This is ordinal cross. Okay, so just for identification, I have mentioned these colors. You can change it. You can have your own colors as well. Here you can hit on this cell and select the color of your choice for both ordinal cross and cardinal cross, and also for center point. Okay, so these are the values again here also. While doing it in Google Sheets, I have given K3. What is K3? 0 degrees. Is it K3? Okay, and here for 90 degree I have put K2 in between. Sorry, K4 for 90 degree. Where is what is K4? Where is K4? This is K4 cell. Okay, for 135 I have put K5. So this is K5. So here. So just focus on the cell references, because if while creating a calculator, if there are different cell values, instead of calculating here, you have put value somewhere here and apply this formula, it will throw error. Okay, so you need to be mindful of the cell references. Okay, this is 0 to 360, 405 to 720. You can take a screenshot. This one also you can take a screenshot. In small formulas we can do it. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Let's say 625 is one. I put from random number. Where is 625? Here. This is 629, 625. So maybe this is the resistance: 31, 37, 43, 18, 612, 606 support. Okay? So maybe you can place buy order somewhere here. This could be our target, and this could be this, or this could be a stop loss. Again, not a buy sell advice, just an idea. Okay? 773. It is between 770 and 77. Okay, so high next number is 777 resistance. Next resistance 784. Next 791, 798, 805. Below the 773 are support: 770, 763, 756, like that. Okay, so this is how we can prepare Gann Square Reference calculator in Google Sheets. And yeah, this is a disclaimer. This is only a calculator which I mentioned in this video. This is not a buy sell advice. Okay, and if you like my videos, you can share, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you so much.